Warm welcome to everyone. Today we are going to start with the chapter Demand Analysis, which is part of Maharashtra Board lesson number 3, Demand Analysis. We are going to discuss what are the main types of demand. Basically, there are 5 types of demand: direct demand, indirect demand, complementary demand, which is also known as joint demand, composite demand, competitive demand. Let's start with the first one, that is direct demand. This type of demand is also known as autonomous demand. When a commodity is demanded in order to satisfy human wants directly, it is called as direct demand. It is also known as conventional demand. For example, demand for food, cloth, they have direct demand. Consumers, goods, they all possess direct demand. In simple words, all those goods and services which are directly utilized by the consumer have direct demand. Next type is indirect demand. Indirect demand is also known as derived demand. It is when goods are demanded indirectly, that is, in order to produce consumer goods, it is known as indirect demand. For example, the demand for all the factors of production is indirect demand. Why? Because they are utilized for making the final product which is directly consumed by the consumer. So the demand which the consumer consumes directly, the demand for those products will be direct demand, but the factors of production which are helping to make that final product, demand for those factors of production will be indirect demand. Third type is complementary demand, which is also known as joint demand. It occurs when demand for two goods is interdependent on each other. When two or more goods are demanded jointly to satisfy one single want, one single need, it is known as joint demand. For example, in order to make tea, water, sugar, tea powder, milk, all this will be required. All this will be jointly demanded. So this is known as complementary demand. Here I have presented other examples also, like ink cartridges. Without printer, ink cartridges are of no use. Similarly, razor and razor blades. Other examples can be car and petrol, car and fuel. They are demanded jointly. Next is composite demand. The demand for commodities which is used to satisfy various wants at a particular point of time is known as composite demand. For example, electricity, it satisfies our various demands. So the demand for electricity will be a composite demand. Crude oil is demanded as a fuel. Also, it is a part of tire component and detergent ingredient. So that is a composite demand. Last one is competitive demand. Competitive demand arises when demand for a commodity competes with its substitute. Substitutes means the products which can be used in place of each other interchangeably. For example, tea and coffee, they have competitive demand. Sugar and jaggery means if you are in shortage of tea, you can consume coffee. If sugar is not available, you can consume jaggery. So those products have competitive demand. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic concepts of demand. Thank you.